Managing async operations in Angular 4 with RxJS. What is RxJS and why use it in Angular 4? RxJS is a popular library for reactive programming in JavaScript applications. It allows you to work with asynchronous data streams using observables, which are a powerful way to handle sequences of asynchronous events. Handling async operations with RxJS in Angular 4. Observables in Angular 4, observables are used to handle asynchronous data streams, such as HTTP requests or user interactions. With observables, you can subscribe to data streams and react to events as they occur. This reactive approach helps in managing async operations more effectively and ensuring timely updates to your UI. Reactive programming in Angular 4. Reactive programming is a paradigm that focuses on handling data flow and event propagation. In Angular 4, reactive programming with RxJS allows you to create observable sequences, apply operators to manipulate the data stream, and subscribe to the results. Managing HTTP requests and services. In Angular 4, HTTP requests are common async operations that can be effectively managed using RxJS. By creating observables for HTTP requests and leveraging operators like map, filter, and merge map, you can handle data responses more efficiently and perform tasks such as error handling and data transformation. Handling async patterns and data flow. Asynchronous patterns in Angular 4, such as promises and async/await, can also be managed using RxJS. By converting promises to observables or using RxJS operators to await multiple async tasks, you can simplify your code and ensure a more predictable data flow. In conclusion, RxJS is a powerful tool for managing async operations in Angular 4.